Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
Tired of waiting for your family to join you when the food is hot and ready? Say hello to your new kitchen best friend, the Food Warming Mat by VOSSAIRE. This is a game changer, making meal times more convenient and enjoyable. So no more fussing about my hubby being late to the table. The food will still be warm and inviting. Plus, the long extension allows you to place it right on the table during dinner, so you can just relax and enjoy your meal without having to get up and serve. And the best part is that it's super easy to clean and store, making it a hassle free addition to any kitchen. With its simple temperature setting and timer, I can just set it and forget it. After 18 hours, it will automatically shut off, ensuring my food to stay warm and delicious. This food warming mat is the perfect companion for every meal, making it a must have for any home cook.
And that's my point of view.